viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video with the boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking. So in today's video is a Escovitch fish with some curl lobster. So it's just a little bit of something that is gonna be different because I'm doing the Escovitch fish with the curl lobster for my sister over there in the States. So I'm in the process of cleaning the fish now. I'm just cutting the fish belly, taking out the waste. So I want to say big up to the cameraman who is behind the scene, who always make the video possible to give you guys the good content. So I'm just go through and scrape all the fish them. So it look like the rain I go fall still, but hopefully I'm not get no rain today, because the rain I fall early every day, guys, because you know we are in the hurricane season and you know it's an outdoor cooking channel, so most of the time I have to shoot the video as early as possible to get the content out there for you guys. So if the rain fall, we don't really have a problem with the rain, guys. It's just a lightning, because remember we're using the GoPro to shoot the videos now. So I'm trying to go as fast as possible to get the content out. So I'm just done scale the fish them. So I'm gonna wash them off into the vinegar water. I'm squeezing all the excess water off them. So I'm using the paper towel to dry off the excess water off of the fish. So I'm using some fish season and some all-purpose season to season them. So I'm just seasoning them and leaving them in the container so they can absorb the season for at least 1 hour or 20 minutes. So I'm just lightly seasoning them. So I'm adding a green pepper into the water, some salt, and some vinegar, scalding off the lobster. So the vinegar is gonna help to reduce the rawness of the lobster. And so I'm adding a piece of scallion in the pot. So we just use it to help add flavor to scalding of the lobster. Nothing major, guys. So it's just, that's the way how me scald the lobster. So the water boil up. So I'm just scalding off the lobster just for 5 minutes. So the lobster done scald off, so I'm just taking them back out. Lobster looking good. Yes, sir. So I'm just adding 2 pieces of garlic into the oil, and I'm checking on the fish. So just to add flavor. So the sun is really hot today, guys, but thank God the rain didn't come, which is a plus, so we can actually get to finish the video. So it was too much fire under the coal pot, so we have to take out some of it. I'm taking out the fish, just placing them on the paper towel. Guys, the sun is so hot. I'm turning the fish, and I'm taking out this one, and then I'm adding the next one. So they are looking real good. I'm just going to try them. So I'm turning down the fire under the fish, guys. So I don't want them to have force and then eventually them not fry good. So when you are cooking outdoor, you have to know how to turn down the fire. So big up to everyone who are cook outside, who know how to turn down the fire outside. I'm julienning the carrot. So I'm gonna make a vinegar sauce for the fish. So I'm using some vinegar, I'm using some julienne carrot, some onions, and I'm using some pimento seed. So I'm using some onion as well, some pepper. I'm placing the fish into the container. So now I am adding the Escovitch sauce over the fish. Guys, the rain come down, so I have to go inside and pick out the lobster. So these are the lobster. So I'm going to use some purple onion, piece of thyme, some garlic, piece of scallion, a little bit of pepper for spice. So I'm using a spoon of garlic powder, a little pimento seed, spoon of fish season, spoon of all-purpose season. So guys, as you can hear the thunder rolling, and the seasoning up. So I'm just taste here and see what I go and feed. I'm going to catch up the fire right away. We see fire already start. I'm just wait for it to catch up some more, so we can actually look about the curry lobster. Because I really want to finish before the rain even comes to guys, to be honest. So I'm currently burning the curry, so I'm adding some chop up garlic in a hit just to help it add flavor. Put a rock, camera money, put a rock. I'm just burning the curry, and to burn the curry to make it more mild, give the curry lobster a nice taste along with the garlic. Guys, be able to step out of the shoes and I'm going to add in the lobster. I'm adding just a little bit of water. I'm adding in the carrot and the Irish potato. So in 10 minutes the lobster finish cook, so because the carrot is more harder to cook, so I'm adding in the carrot. Guys, the rain really a come back dog again. Guys, the rain a fall so hard, but we still are doing it. So we are adding onion and we are adding the bell pepper, guys. Big up to the cameraman, guys. Really awesome. Really awesome cameraman, guys. I love my nephew, guys, to the bottom of my heart, because no matter what, him in a hit with me, he might help me, he might support me. So as you guys can see, the rain really a fall hard. And the curry lobster today. And we're almost finished. So I'm just adding the rest of the vegetables. Yeah, man, so peace out. We're there in the rain, guys. We are dealing with it. You know, so we look a makeshift tent and it's a good. Pot a go on good. Curry lobster smell real good. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So that a go on, pot a bubble up. Yeah, what's that? At the makeshift tent, this is the rain. Rain really has come down hard, but we still are doing it. You know what I mean? Because we are doing the great, amazing content them, which is Caribbean Vibes cooking. And you know what the great content them we are doing, so you know, everything look good. Excellent job as always. Big up my cameraman. Please like, comment and share for more awesome video. We're out.